Sustainability in project management. Sustainability is a crucial consideration for modern project managers. Today, projects are not just about meeting deadlines and budgets. They must also align with environmental and social responsibility goals. In this video, we'll explore how sustainability is becoming an integral part of project management and why it matters for project success. What is sustainability in project management? Sustainability in project management refers to managing projects in a way that ensures long-term success while minimizing negative impacts on the environment and society. It involves integrating sustainable practices into the project lifecycle, from planning to execution and even project closure. Why is sustainability important in project management? Environmental impact. With growing concerns about climate change, projects need to reduce their carbon footprint and make environmentally conscious decisions. 2. Social responsibility. Sustainability in project management also involves considering the social impact of a project. This includes ensuring that the project benefits local communities and promotes ethical practices. 3. Long-term value. Sustainable projects deliver value not just in the short term, but also in the long term, benefiting future generations and securing the project's success in the future. Incorporating sustainability in project management. To incorporate sustainability into your projects, you can 1. Set clear sustainability goals. Define what sustainability means for your project and set measurable goals, such as reducing waste, lowering energy consumption, or promoting social equity. 2. Engage stakeholders. Involve stakeholders early in the project to understand their sustainability expectations and ensure alignment. 3. Sustainable procurement. Choose suppliers and materials that align with sustainability goals, ensuring that the entire project lifecycle is environmentally friendly. 4. Monitor and report. Continuously monitor the project's sustainability progress and report on its impact. This ensures accountability and provides data for future improvements. Key takeaways. Sustainability is no longer optional in project management. It's essential for long-term success. By incorporating sustainable practices, project managers can help deliver projects that are not only successful, but also ethically and environmentally responsible.